Hi, and welcome to Project HZ. With the 202 exhaust taken out, the tail shaft has been installed. Up next, I installed the starter motor. As this is going to be a twin turbo setup, I'm installing brass fittings for the oil feed through the oil pump. Make sure you install your oil pressure sender. I will still need to get a T-piece to fit on the top. With both cooling fans fitted on the radiator, it is time to fit and screw in place. With that said and done, it's time to cover some holes on the manifold using 1/2-inch bolts and fit the temp sender unit. I'm just doing some dummy fits for the turbos to see where they'll be fitting before making the exhaust manifolds. I have an old head I can work off to weld my exhausts. For the wiring, I won't bore you with showing you how to make a new loom, but if you have the manual, follow this section, or I have broken it down for you with color drawings indicating the wires. That's the end of the episode. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like button, and even share with your friends.